Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPT campus from DMLT, the Pharma department. In today's class, I discuss about the inflammatory bowel disease. Inflammatory bowel disease (IBD) is a general classification of inflammatory processes that affect the large and small intestine, ulcerative colitis, and Crohn's disease. Together make up IBD. Inflammatory bowel disease fall into the class of autoimmune disease, in which the body's own immune system attack element of the digestive system. Ulcerative colitis. The inflammation in ulcerative colitis may affect all or part of the large intestine. Macroscopically, the mucosa may have a granular appearance if the disease is mild. When fulminant, the disease may include stripping of the mucosa with area of sludging, ulcerations, and bleeding. Ulcerative colitis is restricted in the colon and rectum. Microscopically, ulcerative colitis is to restricted to the mucosa, while Crohn's disease affects the full thickness of bowel wall. Sign and symptoms. The hallmark of ulcerative colitis is rectal bleeding and diarrhea. Sometimes nocturnal diarrhea. Typically, the diarrhea is severe, possibly 5 or 8 bowels movement in 24 hours. Pain that is in the both abdominal quadrant and that is the crampy in nature and exacerbated prior to bowel movement. Rhythmia nodosum, characterized by the red swollen nodules that are usually on the thigh and leg, be present. Joint symptoms occur in up to 20% of the patient with the disease, usually affected the ankle, knee, and wrist. Anemia is commonly associated with the ulcerative colitis. It is most likely caused by blood loss and is typically a microcytic hypochromic anemia of iron deficiency. Eye changes such as the uveitis, corneal ulcer, and retinitis may cause pain and the photophobia. Oral health considerations. The oral health that occur in ulcerative colitis cause are non-specific and uncommon. Aphthous stomatitis. The appearance of these lesions may be coincidental, and pyoderma gangrenosum are the pleural inflammation of the mouth. Oral manifestation of anemia may be noted in patients with ulcerative colitis, especially in the undiagnosed or poorly controlled disease. The oral manifestation include the pallor, angular cheilitis, and the glottis. Dental management. Chronic use of the glucocorticosteroids can also result in the adrenal suppressions. Patients undergoing surgery may require supplemental glucocorticosteroid before and after the procedure because their own adrenal response to stress is blunted. Prior to dental procedures, blood studies that include hemoglobin, hematocrit, and the red blood cell count should be undertaken to rule out the presence of anemia. Patients on the azathioprine might be expected to have changes in white and the red blood cell count. Also, suppressions of the liver can expected. So, consultation with the patient physicians will help the dentist determine the patient's liver function. Patients who have the extensive bowel surgery may suffer from malabsorption of vitamin K, vitamin B12, folic acid before any surgical procedure and completed. These patients should be evaluated for both microcytic and microcytic anemia and bleeding disorders from insufficient level of vitamin K. Thank you for watching. In today's class I discuss about the ulcerative colitis, inflammatory bowel disease. Thank you.